everybody, Derek here from Arcadia Rug Spa, and we've got a really interesting job in today, so I thought I'd run you through what we're going to do with this job. This is pretty much a made rug. It's carpet, really good quality carpet, stuck to some really expensive underlay, and so it's a rug that's been made for someone. This has all been cut out and put in, this square bit here. And the lady who owns it says it smells, so she's brought it in for us to clean. Now, we can't flood clean this because of the actual underlay. It certainly wouldn't spin, it's not impervious, so that the water won't travel through. When we put it in the spinner and spin all the water out, it'll struggle to get through the actual underlay. So we're going to have to surface clean it, but you can't surface clean the smell of what it's basically, I think it's dog urine, and it smells quite bad. So she's left it with us, and the first thing we had to do was source the smell, so we could isolate the smell, and we sourced it down here. Once we sourced the smell, we had to then cut a square out of the back. That will make this now, the water will be able to go through this. As you can see, we've got a piece here that we cut out. We're putting that to one side. That will be glued back on. And what we'll do, or I'll show you what we're going to do now. So we have some acidic cleaner. This will break down the urine crystals in the actual dog urine. And all we do is we pour it on the affected area. And we just leave that for about 20 minutes. So we'll leave that for 20 minutes, and then we'll come back in a bit and we'll show you what we do next. So it's been left there now for about 20 minutes. That's breaking up all the actual urine in the rug. And then we take this tool, which is a waterclaw. The first thing we'll do is we'll extract from the top. We'll push this on, turn the machine on. We've got a big machine at the back here. We'll push it on and pull all the actual urine through. And then the second step is we lift the rug up. We put that on the back of the rug. We then stick that way. Once the machine's on, that will stick to the back of the rug, and then we actually pour water over the top. That'll pull right through the actual rug, straight through back into the machine. Dry it, assess the smell. If it's still there, we'll do that again. If it's gone, we'll just then surface clean the whole rug. We'll get the rotary on, give it a good scrub, give it a good rinse, and then we'll dry it flat, and the job will be done. So hope that's of some interest to you. And so this is me, Derek, from Arcadia Rug Spa, signing out and getting on with the job. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in anything rug related, whether it's rug cleaning, rug repair or rug restoration, or you're simply after some hints and tips, please subscribe to the channel, leave us a like, you can share the video if you want, Or best still, leave a comment. We love your comments. Thanks for watching.